Wherever you go, wires and cables abound. Whether they connect you to the world or they power up your office building, they are the lifeline of our highly technological and industrial society. Today, we're going to take you to the complex world of wires and cables as we go on an educational tour of Phelps Dodge Philippines, one of the world's leading wire and cable companies. A mere 2 hours drive from Metro Manila is Tarlac, home of Phelps Dodge Philippines factory. Here they manufacture not just building wires, but those that provide protection from power pilferage, cables that provide electricity to everyone, and even wires that give life to your car. For contractors and builders, wiring a whole building or a whole subdivision can be quite an ordeal, and you have to make sure that you choose the best and the right cables. To help us with that challenge is Senior Process Engineer from Phelps Dodge, Robert Lozano. Robert.
The modern subdivisions now use underground cabling.
Okay.
For starters, it is more appealing than having overhead cable from one house to the next.
Right.
And for subdivision, it is a better market value for them. So like the port in Taguig.
Okay.
It's one example of it. When choosing the right cable for this underground cabling, you need to make sure that the cable is resistant to moisture. So I recommend using the cable that is moisture resistant.
Okay.
That is being undergone to dry cure process.
Tell us what's the difference between dry curing and the ordinary process.
Wet cured power cables are steamed through boiling water.
Okay.
Making the insulation harder.
Okay.
So that creates a weak point on the insulation. That may spell disaster later on.
Okay, okay.
On the other hand, the dry cured power cable is manufactured using the catenary vulcanization line.
Oh, okay.
It uses nitrogen heated gas that completely cure the insulation.
Right.
That's eliminating the risk of moisture and other contaminants. Dry cured power cables are safer, more durable, and longer lasting.
Recognized the world over for its high-quality wires and cables, Phelps Dodge is the first to make use of the dry-cured process in the Philippines. They're the only local cable company that has the capability to manufacture this type of power cable. Bukod sa moisture and protection from sun and rain, there's another threat that one of your products protects against. Can you tell us about that?
Maraming illegal tapping sa Metro Manila.
Yun.
This activity is also because of several electrical fires, especially in the squatters areas, because of the use of substandard wiring connections that are crudely done.
Okay.
Meralco has tapped Phelps Dodge for it to develop the anti-theft wiring. The anti-theft wiring prevents pilferage of electricity or illegal tapping. It makes it impossible for anyone to steal electricity without them being caught. This helps in a lot, especially with the reduction of system loss due to pilferage, and it helps prevent electrical fires.
Now, safe wiring isn't just isolated to those that bring electricity from the power plants to your residences or commercial establishments. Safe wiring is also very important to Japanese and American automobile manufacturers who understand that having a safe car is just as important as having a handsome car. Phelps Dodge automotive wires and car battery cables are manufactured with meticulous care, making sure that they pass rigorous tests that meet international quality standards. We really can't leave Tarlac without talking about all the other products that Phelps Dodge has, and with us is Technical Services Manager Noel Cagitlab.
Phelps Dodge introduced the foam skin filled telephone cables in the Philippines.
Okay.
We also have Fiberline. These are fiberglass reinforced telephone drop wires which are very effective in high-speed data transmission and communication and used extensively by security. Phelps Dodge have a specialized high voltage cables like high tension transmission line, okay, and submarine cable. Submarine power cables powers the offshore windmills and transport electricity from the power source in one island to another. Just the same with the other Phelps Dodge product. This is being manufactured in accordance with the international standards in safety and in reliability.
Safety, reliability, and durability. These are the primary concerns of Phelps Dodge. And these things you too should remember every time you build or repair your house. Look under the hood of your car, take the office lift, or call somebody on the phone. Phelps Dodge, your one-time investment for a lifetime of protection.